welcome to Cook with RV3. I'm Vibha and today I'm here with my brother Vansh. And today we are making a zebra marble cake, which is very tasty. So do try this recipe at home.
So the things that we are going to need for making our zebra cake are
all-purpose flour or maida,
1.5 cups,
curd,
1 cup,
sugar,
1 cup,
oil,
half cup,
cocoa powder,
2 teaspoon,
vanilla essence,
1 teaspoon,
baking powder,
1 teaspoon,
soda bicarbonate,
half teaspoon.
black and white gel food color,
You can also use liquid food color, a large mixing bowl and 2 small bowls for dividing the batter. A circular tin or a round tin. I have used number 2 round tin. This I have greased and lined it with parchment paper and dusted it with some flour. A whisk for mixing, a spatula and toothpicks for checking if our cake is done or not. So let's get started. And yes, do remember to use only fresh curd. So now we're going to mix in our dry ingredients. So in goes our baking powder and our soda bicarbonate. Now whisk your dry ingredients up. Set your dry ingredients aside. And now in a large bowl, so first always remember, it's a very secret tip, mix in your vanilla essence to your oil. So we are going to mix in our wet ingredients now. So in goes our oil and vanilla essence mixture, our curd, along with our sugar. Now we are going to whisk this up too. So gradually adding your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, mixing continuously. So after the mixture is well incorporated, clean up your sides. This is the consistency that we are looking for, a dosa batter consistency, not too thick nor too thin. Now divide your batter between 2 small bowls. So to one of these batters, add in your cocoa powder. Then mix this well. So here we have our chocolate cake batter and here we have a vanilla cake batter. To your chocolate cake batter, add in 2 drops of black food color, and to your vanilla cake batter, add in 2 drops of white food color. Then mix these well. So there, our batters are ready. Now in the center, add in 1 spoon of your chocolate batter. Then on top of this, add in your vanilla batter. Then again on top, add on your chocolate batter. This is interesting. Then again, your vanilla batter. It will gradually spread towards the sides.
There, it's ready. Now make a plus.
You're going to make a flower pattern. Make a plus and then divide it. Now make it inward. We can say that we are making a spider web. And this is looking so beautiful. It's like an illusion. Wow, 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 wow. Now bake this for 7 minutes in the microwave. There, our zebra cake is ready. It's looking so beautiful and vibrant. And now, here I have a toothpick and I'll insert it in the center.
And there the toothpick comes out clean, which means that the cake is absolutely done and it's perfectly baked. Now take a damp cloth and cover this beautiful cake up. Remember, take a damp cloth and not a wet cloth. There, our cake has absolutely cooled down, and now let us demold our cake. So always remember to demold your cake on a wire rack. So take the wire rack, invert it on the cake, and then invert the tin. Just like this. And now it's time for demolding our cake. Now let us see what do we get inside. Now let us remove the parchment paper. Don't worry, that's the base. There! Our cake is done and it's looking so beautiful. You can have it like this as well. It's looking already so great. But today I'm going to dress it, for which I have dark chocolate and white chocolate ganache. So for the chocolate ganache I have used 1 portion of dark chocolate and 1 portion of whipped cream. And for the white chocolate ganache I have used 1 portion of white chocolate and 1 portion of whipped cream. So there, if you're serving it this way, it will taste awesome. So just take it, cut it and then serve it. But today I'm going to decorate it, for which I've got my ganache. And before that, we're going to invert this cake up because the upper portion is hard. So we are just going to invert the cake and use the base, this portion, as the top. So now to your chocolate ganache, add in 1 drop of black food color. And to your white chocolate ganache, add in 1 drop of white food color. And then mix these up. So in case if you want to know in details how to make these ganache, check out my links which are in the description box below. So place a plate beneath your rack. And now I'm going to decorate it just like the way I did it for the cake, so the inside out looks the same. So for that, add on 1 spoon of your dark chocolate ganache. And on top of that, we're going to add on 1 spoon of our white chocolate ganache. So we're going to repeat it till it comes to the edge. And flows down. So you see, I was pouring one color and then the other color on the top. So I've got this base. And now just grab a toothpick, make some lovely designs. Just play with it. Just play around with the toothpick and you'll always get a marble cake. There's no hard and fast rule that you have to be specific. Just play around to get your perfect marble zebra cake. Look how beautiful, like an Italian marble it looks. So now is the time for the most precise job, and that is, yes, we have to transfer this cake to a plate. So be very careful. Just lift it up. Very careful. We have spent a lot of hard work on it. Lift it up. Yes, just like this. No, don't tilt, please. Oh yes, just like this. Leave it, and we are successful. Oh yes, oh my god, guys. I'm so happy. We are successful. I'm going to pipe on some chocolate whipped cream. I have it in a piping bag here with the star nozzle. And now we're going to pipe on some chocolate whipped cream. So what we need to do is just squeeze and leave.
Look how beautiful it's looking. Oh wow, I just can't wait. I just feel like just having it at once. It's looking so yummy and so beautiful and so tasty beyond words. Oops. Well, it's 11:30 right now. It's going to be 12 soon. And tomorrow I'm having school. But still, this is so much fun that I can't leave it. And now I'm going to have a midnight snack. Like probably a midnight dessert. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So there, it's done. I even added on a rosette on the top. And here I'm having a white bead, which is edible. And this I'm going to place on top of this rose. Wow! Just look at our cake. It's looking so fantastic and amazing and beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, so our cake is ready and I'm so eager to cut it right now. Actually, you need to chill it for half an hour, but I just chilled it for 5 minutes because it's 12 o'clock now and I have school tomorrow, but I'm so eager to have this as my midnight dessert that I can't wait any further. So let us cut this cake and I'll show you how it looks from inside. Oh my god, now I feel like eating and not cutting it both at the same time. Wow! Now let us take it out. So there, look at those amazing layers. It's absolutely like a zebra. And it's so good. Also known as a marble cake. Look at the amazing glaze and the layers. And just look how the cake is looking. Wow. It's looking so amazing. And let me just have a bite and tell you how it tastes like. It's absolutely soft, like a sponge. It's just amazing. The rich taste of chocolate. It's awesome. Guys, you need to try this recipe at home. It's absolutely perfect. Amazing. Now, this slice is almost over. I can't eat too much sweet at night. I have to brush and then sleep. It's amazing. And guys, if you like my video, then do like, comment, comment, share and subscribe to Cook with RV3 for more such fantastic videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.